Kasama natin ngayon si Miss Joyce maghakot ng pages and lattes. Good morning.
Good morning.
So anong handa natin today?
Nag-prepare po ako para sa inyo na our best-selling sandwich, is clubhouse sandwich.
Okay,
Wow!
so ito yung isa sa mga best-seller sa merienda or snack time nyo.
Yes, yes.
Okay, ito yung clubhouse. Alright, ano ba ang kailangan dito, Joyce?
Napakadali lang, sir. What we need, ginamit ko po ang wheat bread
Okay,
kasi
wheat
mas
bread.
healthy siya kaysa white
Right,
bread.
less sugar and
Yes.
game. Ingredients natin?
Mayonnaise and of course tomatoes, lettuce, sweet ham, and cheese.
Ayun, cheese. And of course, sabi mga 3 loaves, no?
Yes.
Of white bread. Ito nakita natin serving dito. Yan ang 3 loaves niyan.
Yes, yes.
Alright. Tapos ikakat mo lang naman, di ba?
Yes, but cut into 4 lang.
Alright,
Or into 2, depende po sa
Tingnan natin ang preparation mo. Paano ba nagawa to? Go!
Napakadali lang, sir. So, ayan. Tinost lang natin yung wheat bread sa ating mainit na pan.
Yan, until mag-crispy, no?
Yes, tapos sa first loaf, spread lang natin yung mayonnaise and then nilagay natin una yung tomatoes.
So yung first layer to which means ito yung bottom, no?
Yes.
Okay.
And then sinunod natin si lettuce.
Yan, so mayo, tomato, and lettuce.
Yes. Tapos second loaf naman is spread ulit ng mayonnaise.
So second loaf, ito yung gitna.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Tapos cover face down.
Yes.
And then,
Another spread of mayonnaise. Kasi sir, ako mahilig ako sa mayonnaise, kaya
so
a lot
itong
of mayonnaise.
ham is on top of the middle layer.
Yes,
Alright.
yes. And then,
Cheese.
sunod na si cheese. And then the last part is si ham.
And mayo again.
Yes.
Ayan. And then, ikakat na.
Yes. It's very easy, sir, kasi lalo na ngayon magpapasukan.
Yeah, that's right.
So,
Pangbaon na, no?
Yes, sir. Hindi ka na mag-worry kung parent ka kung anong bibilin ng or kakainin ng anak mo sa school during their break time.
So, ang ginawa mo dito is 4 cuts, yung quarter cut.
Yes.
Alright. Pero standardly, kung adult naman ang kakain, pwede naman yung ano, di ba?
Two. Yes,
Oo.
yes.
So, kunyari, dalawa anak mo, di ba, i-quarter cut mo, di tigda dalawang
Wow.
portion sila.
Opo.
So, yan yung, yung clubhouse, na?
Yes, clubhouse sandwich.
And of course, may mga dala ka pang ibang bagay. Unahin muna natin yung food.
Food, sir. What we have
Ito, yeah.
here are the best selling for our rice
So,
meals.
sa tabi ng clubhouse is first.
First, the Hungarian sausage with egg and fried rice.
So, yan available din yan sa
Yes,
pages
sir.
and lattes. And then beside it, in the middle,
The number one best selling is bacon and egg with sunny side
of
up
course,
egg.
bacon talaga.
Yes.
And this one,
And chicken adobo flakes.
okay, chicken adobo flakes.
Yes, sir.
So, alright. So, I'm sure bestseller din yan. No?
Yes, top 3.
Top 3. And okay, may mga drinks tayo.
Yes, sir. We have here the fresh fruit teas.
Start tayo dito.
Si strawberry.
The red one is strawberry.
Yes, strawberry.
Beside it,
Ito siya, sir. Si
this one strawberry din to.
Milk tea na po siya.
Milk tea to.
Yes.
Alright, this one,
Green apple.
green apple.
Fruit tea.
Next,
Passion fruit tea.
passion fruit tea.
And then, ito naman po si winter melon.
Winter melon.
Milk tea.
Milk tea.
We also have here taro milk tea.
Okay.
And then the peach fruit tea, fresh fruit tea. And the last one is the hazelnut milk tea.
Sa mga drinks nyo dito, ano yung mga bestseller nyo naman?
Best sellers are for our milk tea, it's winter melon because everyone loves winter melon. And then for our fresh fruit teas, si passion fruit.
Passion fruit.
Yes.
Alright. And may mga kasamang ano to, tawag dito?
Extras.
Extras, di ba?
Depende, sir. Pwede tayong...
Upgrades, di ba? Pwede yan
Yes,
i-upgrade. Okay.
Si nata.
Nata. And saan malolocate ang pages and latte?
Pages and Lattes is located in 83 Loreto Street Morning Breeze at sa Caloocan City.
And ano oras kayo open?
We open Mondays to Sundays, 1 p.m. to 3 a.m.
1 p.m. to 3. Aba, late kayo maabot.
Yes, sir.
1 p.m. to 3 a.m. Alright, social media accounts, contact number.
Yes, sir. We have Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. It's at Pages and Lattes, PAGESANDLATTES.
So,
Pages
Facebook,
and Lattes.
Instagram, and Twitter, all the
Yes.
same. Pages
Yes.
and lattes.
Yes, sir.
And contact number nyo.
Contact number is 0917-300-4108. Again, it's 0917-300-4108.
And balita ko, may dala ka daw fan club dito. Mabatiin mo ba sila?
Of course.
Go. Batiin na naman natin sila. Let's go.
Yes, sir. I have here the first batch of internship for Pages and Lattes. They're from University of Caloocan City.
Okay.
Yes, out of 40 plus na nag-apply sila po yung 5 na nakakuha ng slot. So we have Mike, Tinay, Shaira, Bea, and Christian.
Nakahilera, parang firing squad.
Yes.
Oo, yan, ah.
Mga bodyguard.
So batch 1 ng mga interns.
Yes.
mo.
I also
Okay,
have
wow.
here our Master Sally, the head of our kitchen po.
Ayan, very good. All right. Good morning sa inyong lahat.
Good morning, sir. Thank you so much
Thank you for the breakfast. And please visit Pages and Lattes
Yes.
sa Caloocan. All right, thank you.
Pleasure. Thank you so much.